Okay, so guys, we're back here with another dirt bike video. This is now part 2. Here's the dirt bike. As you can see, the lighting's not gonna be the best because it is nighttime. But yeah. So here is the box that came in the mail for the graphics. So today we're gonna be installing graphics. So these are all the graphics we got. Wish us luck. We're gonna try and install these. But before we install them, these plastics are insanely scratched due to the previous owner like scratching them up and painting it with like some ugly purple and black spray paint. Oh, fireworks. Fireworks. Yep, 4th of July is coming up. What day is it? Like the 28th?
29th.
29th. So yeah, 4th of July is almost here, so everybody's shooting fireworks off. But yeah, we're gonna try and sand out some of these scratches or make them smaller scratches and then hit them with the heat gun and see if we can get more of the natural color back in it before we put the decals on. So here's what it looks like right now, and then here's what it looks like after I sand it down and hit it with the heat gun. So not that much better, but it's worth a shot because it looks way better than that. Looks more blue. So yeah. So here's what we're doing right now. We're actually heating it up and it's bringing it back to life. As you can tell, that's what we've heated up and that's what we haven't. And that's what we've heated up and that's what we haven't. So, yep. This is a slow process, but we're getting there. It's gonna make it look 10 times better with the decals on it. Okay, we've gotten to the stage where he finished this backside right here. So I'm gonna start putting the stickers on this backside while he continues to heat gun the other side. So we're gonna have a little time lapse here. And yeah, enjoy guys. Get you set up right here. Okay, so the camera battery died during the time lapse, but this is what we've gotten done so far. We got this side graphic on, which looks super sweet. He hasn't heat gunned any of that yet, but we got this top piece on, which looks really sweet.
Show my heat guns.
This side is heat gunned, as you can tell. Absolutely no cracks at all, or no white scratches on it, which looks super good. But yeah, these decals are turning out really nice. I like them a lot. So yeah, we'll set you back up for your time lapse. This time we have a new battery in it, so it shouldn't die.
Good catch. Except their montages are sick. They do like some gray, like hazy gray.
Ours can be sick too.
Yeah, make them sick, Justin. Or make them just
Those
No, we're doing a time lapse, not a montage.
Oh, we can do a montage after
Yeah, we
this.
can do a montage. Sick montage.
We can load it up and take it somewhere cool like a car wash where it's all lit up.
Yes.
Let's do it.
And wash it.
The graphics wash it.
These are gonna match up.
No,
These don't match up at all.
they look like they did on eBay, but not in the
Like
instructions.
this, we don't even have
I know.
these swing arm stickers.
Yeah, we do.
But we don't.
Oh yeah, you're right. We don't.
We literally don't have swing arm stickers. This is for a different bike.
Well,
The directions are, but not the stickers.
That's what I was about to say too.
We don't even have a tank sticker.
Okay guys, so we got the decals all on. We're deciding to go to a place with better lighting so we can show off the decals, but if you ask me, flip it. We think it came out pretty darn nice. Yeah, it came out really, really good actually. But yeah.
Stop it.
Okay guys, so we went all the way to a gas station. You see the dirt bike right over there? For good lighting for this montage for you guys, so enjoy the montage. Okay, so montage is complete. A lot of people give us a lot of weird looks. Up there goes the skateboard. But
No.
a water droplet just hit the camera.
Skateboard.
But yeah, headed out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and tune in for part 3 where we tear apart the carburetor and clean it.